Hi Erika!
Hi Jessica!
So what is the topic of today's video?
The topic of today is toner, a facial toner. Because people come in our store a lot and always ask the same question, what is a toner and why should I use it?
Yeah, tell us a bit more about it.
Yes.
It's good for what exactly?
It's actually really good for your skin after you clean your skin with your normal cleansers. Then you can spray a toner on, or you can use a cotton pad to put it on your face.
Okay.
And it removes a little bit of dirt that's maybe still left there after cleansing your face. But it also hydrates your face because it's water-based. And it rebalances the pH of your skin.
Oh, interesting. But is that okay if I use it every day?
Yes, definitely you can use it every day, twice a day.
Oh.
So just after cleaning your face, and you use it after cleaning but before applying your moisturizer.
Oh, nice. And also before going to bed, I suppose.
Also before going to bed, yeah. And we actually have a really nice one. It's rose hydrosol. So it's really pure, it's organic roses. Soaked in water, and then all the benefits of the roses get into the toner. So it rebalances the pH, but also in summer, if you're warm, you can use it as a spray.
Refresher.
Yeah, as a
Oh,
refresher.
nice.
Yeah.
Do you actually wash it off? Do you wash the toner?
No, you can actually just leave it on your face, and you don't even have to dry your face. You spray it on, leave it on, and let it dry naturally. Don't wash it off.
Okay. Doesn't it dry your skin out by any chance?
No, actually the toner we have really doesn't dry skin out. It actually hydrates your skin, but you have to be a bit aware of using toners that have alcohol in them, because that will always dry your skin out.
Okay, and maybe we can also give some recipes.
Next week, watch our YouTube channel. We'll be back with some recipes to make your own toner.
And so you'll make it yourself. DIY soap. See you in Amsterdam.
Thank you.
Bye.